Hi everyone, I wanted to take a few minutes today to share something important about this channel and the direction I'm choosing to continue in. Over the years, this channel has always been about one core idea: helping women over 50 look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. That's never been about one single topic. It's always been about the whole picture: health, skincare, makeup, diet, fitness, and habits that support us long term. Like many creators, I've noticed over time that some topics get more visibility than others. I've experimented with that and I've paid attention. And yes, I've tried leaning more heavily into certain themes and topics that seem to get more traction on YouTube. Some of those experiments worked in the short term, but they also made something very clear to me. I don't want to run a one-topic channel. I don't believe women over 50 are one issue, one concern, or one diagnosis. We are whole people, and aging well isn't about fixing one thing. It's about supporting our bodies, our skin, our strength, and our confidence together. At one point, narrowing too much started to feel like I was creating for a system instead of creating for you. And when that happens, something important, it gets lost. The joy, the creativity, and the real connection that makes this channel what it is. So here's what I want you to know. This channel is staying true to its original mission. You'll continue to see videos about skincare and looking younger. You'll continue to see health, movement, and fitness content. And you'll continue to see discussions about habits, routines, and choices that support aging well, naturally and realistically. Some videos may reach more people than others, and that's okay. What matters to me is that the content I create is honest, helpful, and aligned with the women who've been here, many of you for years. One small housekeeping note: if you ever want to make sure you don't miss new videos, I have a free e-newsletter to keep you informed about new video content. When you sign up, you'll also get my 3-page anti-aging tip sheet with my best, most practical tips that I've learned over the years. I'll link that for anyone who wants it in the description box and in the first comment. More importantly, I want you to know how grateful I am for this community, for your comments, your support, and your trust. That's what allows me to keep creating in a way that feels meaningful and sustainable. Thank you for being here, and thank you for allowing this channel, GloryB-TV, to continue being about the whole journey of aging gracefully. Let me know in the comments which topics you're most interested in, and then I'll see you in the next video.